This is Harrison. He loves a good game of ping pong. But finding a competitive partner is hard. Shane is unbeatable. Not fun. Catherine is still learning. Also not fun. And Matthew, now there's a great partner. But he's not always around. Introducing Trainerbot. It's your new ping pong partner that's always available and always competitive. It can shoot any spin, anywhere on a table, on any table. It's got the accuracy of a machine triple its size, but it fits in your bag. And it's the first of its kind that lets you control all of this from your phone. Trainerbot lets you pick a setting that's perfect for you. Beginners can practice their forehands with slow, easy shots. Just choose a location, spin type, and a slow interval. As you improve, Trainerbot grows with you. You can create a sequence that involves multiple shots, like forehand and backhand. And for advanced players, Trainerbot becomes unpredictable. You can make it shoot randomly at maximum speed. In close games, there's no feeling like hitting that epic shot. Those moments are rare, but they don't have to be, because Trainerbot can recreate any match situation. Hit 100 smashes, slice 1,000 shots. It never misses. Having trouble beating your friends? Trainerbot can turn their toughest shots into drills. With enough practice, you'll beat them next time. And never waste another tutorial. Trainerbot transforms hours of YouTube into hours of gameplay. It's also designed to help people connect, regardless of their experience level. Now, anyone can play together without holding back or feeling outmatched. It's your ultimate ping pong partner.
It was so much fun.
Especially that crazy setting where it just shoots everywhere. I'm kind of sweating a little bit right now.
Within 20 seconds, I was already starting to make small adjustments to how I was holding the paddle.
It was very efficient, it was fast.
I started out and it seemed easy, but then it got so much harder. I mean, there's something for every skill level.
I've actually played ping pong robots before. That actually blew my mind.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm Alex.
And I'm Harrison.
Me and my brother always try to kick each other's ass while we play ping pong. So we start building the first Trainerbot with just a garbage can to just searchable for us to smash. But later on we find out with app and software, you can do a lot more. You can simulate games, you can create your own drills, and the coolest part is you can share those drills with anyone in the world.
3 months ago, we decided to join HAX, which is the world's largest hardware accelerator. We sourced a lot of motors, and we also designed all the mechanism from the ground up to give you the fun experience that we want you to have. We have talked to many manufacturers now. Now the last part is just tooling. And Kickstarter, that's why we need your help.
Please back and share this campaign on Kickstarter so we can bring Trainerbot to you.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Hey everyone, my name is Ashley Long. I am a photographer, videographer. I have a production company and I recently started up a travel vlog. I had two problems that I'm sure many of you are very familiar with. The first was that my computer never had enough storage. And the second, my computer was way too slow. So like most people, I assumed that getting a new computer would fix this, but it didn't. My editor and I went out and bought the fastest laptops on the market, and they were still too slow.
So it turns out almost every computer is limited by its hard drive speed. So we researched what the pros are doing, and almost all of them use something called a RAID array. The problem is it's way too big, it costs thousands of dollars, your media isn't safe, and it's still too slow. That's when we realized that we had to create our own solution.
This is the Thunder Drive. It's the smallest, fastest, most compatible drive we could imagine. It runs at 570 megs per second, which maxes out your USB cord. That means this little drive is as fast as all 5 of these combined. To make your computer faster, you just plug in the Thunder Drive and move your files over. And this isn't just for old computers. These are two of the fastest laptops on the market, and they're able to play several 4K videos at once. With the Thunderdrive, this one is now 2 times faster. So if you want even more speed, the Thunderdrive has 2 ports and works with Thunderbolt 3 and USB. Most computers don't have enough storage. The Thunderdrive can give you up to 1,000 gigabytes of additional storage. And because it's not a spinning disk, your files will be much safer.
We asked you guys what would make this campaign even better, and you recommended a thumb drive in the $20 range. So we went to the drawing board and listed out everything that would make a thumb drive perfect. This is the Thunderthumb. It's the world's smallest thumb drive. We replaced the plastic with metal, made it dust and waterproof, added a strong keychain hook. It comes in gold, and best of all, it's starting at only $3 with free shipping. We've spent the last 6 months sending prototypes back and forth from our manufacturers. We finally have everything lined up and ready to go. So we're raising a minimum of $30,000 to get these into your hands. We're going to be assembling, initializing, and testing every drive here in the States before shipping them out.
I can't imagine having to run our photo and video businesses without these. They pay for themselves on a weekly basis, they've made us more creative, and now we're delivering work right after starting it instead of right before it's due.
Thank you guys so much for all of your support. We are so grateful for every single backer, and even the $1 pledges really do help. So buy a Thunderdrive now and share this with your friends before this offer ends.
Meet Renegrade, the first 3D pen in the world that allows you to reuse your plastic bottles, bags, and files and turn them into 3D art. Renegrade is highly reliable and breaks material limitations thanks to its robust design, powerful motor, and adjustable temperature. All other options available in today's market use proprietary filaments, which don't contribute to reducing waste and cost you $10 to $15 per pack. But should 3D drawing and sculpting really be such an expensive thing to do? Renegrade replaces a standard pack using just 2 plastic bottles. It will provide you with perfectly stable 3D printing. You can significantly reduce the amount of plastic waste your household produces, and you won't ever have to buy expensive filaments again. Unlike other pens on the market, we're providing you with a nifty accessory so you can create your own strips at no extra cost. This is the Chupacut, Renegade's secret weapon. As you can see, in just a matter of seconds, it transforms plastic bottles into plastic strips, ready for your use. Chupacut is really easy to use. We'll walk you through it in just a few seconds. Start by warming up the bottle. We're using a heat gun, but you can use your hairdryer or stove. Then, cut off the bottom. You can use scissors or any blade. If your bottle is large, like ours, you can extend the telescopic holder, which keeps things stable. Then simply hold on to the Chupacut and start pulling. It's that easy. Chupacut can produce strips 3, 6, 9, and 12 millimeters wide. And with our optional stand, you can store and house plastic strips for future use. We also provide an attachment which holds the strips you're using in place. That's it. You're now ready to start creating 3D drawings, sculptures, and so much more. Sometimes it's easy to forget just how big the problem of plastic waste is. You can help by making sure that all of your plastic bottles, files, and even plastic bags have more than one life. Together with Renegrade, you can become part of the solution to one of the greatest environmental issues we all face today. So yes, it really is that simple. You save time, money, and you're helping the environment. 3D printing should be affordable and accessible to everyone, and this is just the beginning. Please support our journey and help us bring Renegade's unique take on 3D drawing into the market. Back us today.
Hi guys, this is Gary from Robotniks Technologies. Since over 10 years, we create professional software and hardware application for the telecom market. Today I would like to show you the Orbi Connect, and Orbi Connect is the first Ethernet adapter for iOS devices. You can connect now iPhone 6s or Apple iPads Air to get full cable Ethernet speed, or any other Apple device that supports the Lightning connector. If you want to learn more what you can do when you have now full cable speed, please watch this video. Enjoy!
Ears ringing the morning after? That's the sound of damage. I found that me and my friends had the same problem, so I wanted to find a solution. I wanted an ear protector that protected my ears but still meant that I could enjoy going to gigs with loud music, without feeling like I was listening to music underwater. Conventional earplugs are fiddly, uncool and not fun to wear, especially at concerts and gigs because they make the music sound muffled. Through developing our earphones, which were successfully funded on Kickstarter last year, I discovered a revolutionary way of protecting our ears. I'd like to introduce Isolate ear protectors. Traditional ear protection products try to absorb sound from entering your ears. They ruin your music experience and fail to isolate you properly from bass frequencies, and you miss out on the details of the high frequencies, making what you do hear sound very unbalanced. By using our own patent pending technology, I discovered a way I could create ear protectors that don't absorb sound. They block it, giving you a sensation that you have simply lowered the volume. Using Flare Isolate at a concert is really something else. You can hear every instrument, every detail at a safe low level like never before. Everyone who loves going to gigs and festivals is going to love Isolate. They take out peaks and excessive bass, which means you can hear details at concerts that's normally masked, and no dangerous ear pain from sudden whistles or screams from behind you in the crowd. Our bodies and bone structure act like dynamic dampeners to your ears. As the sound gets louder, your body feels everything, but your ears stay safe and in amazing comfort. With Isolate, you simply pinch, roll, and insert. They can be used in any environment you wish to isolate your ears from. We use the highest quality materials in the design of Isolate, solid titanium and aluminium. Our entry-level Isolate products are solid aerospace aluminium, and our Isolate Pro uses solid titanium for the ultimate earplug experience. Titanium is the denser of the two metals, and so attenuates sound to a higher level. As you can see, the Isolate design is finalised and ready to go. Now you too can be one of the very first people in the world to join the ear protection revolution. Isolate by Flare. Long live ears.